up, guys? I'm over here in the patio area. It's about 92 degrees, something like that, and look what I got. So I brought this thing outside. It's all naked, and I think I'm gonna do what I was debating in doing. I got a sander, and look, paint is already coming out over here, over here. So I really think this paint is really thin. I'm not a professional. This is not gonna be a DIY video. I'm just gonna do what I can, and hopefully it'll turn out good. So let's start this thing. Well, this is what I got so far. Scuffed up using 80, 120, and a sand block. I'm gonna scuff it up a little more, and then I'm gonna run to Home Depot. Yeah, haters, I'm gonna use just regular Rust-Oleum whatever paint they have at Home Depot. Hopefully it turns out well. And before I do that, I'm gonna scuff it up a little more, then sand it down with maybe 220, something like that, so it'll be a little bit smoother before I put in the primer, and then we go from there. So I'm not a pro. Hopefully it turns out well. So I just came to Home Depot and picked up a few Rust-Oleum paint. I got a primer, 2 times the cover, so, and I got flat gray, and then I got the matte clear because I don't want these to be shiny, and then I got a couple of it says paint and primer, both of them, so they're about $6.50 plus taxes a piece. We're gonna see how this thing goes. So Freya, hola muchachones. Well, not a pro, but this thing dries pretty fast, so I was able to like coat it really well. It looks super smooth. I don't think there's even gonna be any sanding needed in this thing. It's all pretty well covered, and I think it's actually gonna turn out really well. Gotta wait for it to dry. I might go ahead and take a ride real quick, and then come back and maybe do another coat, or we'll see. But so far, pretty good. Well, will you look at that? There's a few heavy coats of everything, including the matte clear. I wanted a matte finish, so everything's let me show you. So I got this satin flat, and then matte clear. Everything's Rust-Oleum. I got everything from Home Depot, and then I went ahead and got my old toothbrush so that I can just splash paint on the opposite color, and that's kind of like exactly the look that I was going for. So kind of like a fade kind of thing with splashes of everything, like overspray of the with the and vice versa. And this thing is looking super nice. I hope that it lasts for a while, but everything is being touched up. I didn't even need to sand to a fine grit after the initial prime. I mean, after the initial sanding, I didn't go to the bare metal. I used as much as I could, but then I applied the primer. The primer like cover all the sand marks, and this thing is looking neat. This was kind of like an experiment, but I'm liking it. And if it holds up really well, I got a few more bikes that I can do the same thing to. A little more custom. I wanted to do some decals, but I couldn't find something that I wanted to, like paint in the decals and then remove like stencils kind of thing. I guess it'll be on the next project or something, but for now this thing is looking sweet. So if you're being hesitant into doing something like this, I mean, I'm doing it at home. I got a old broom stick, PVC pipe, and then I tape up the bottom bracket and the head, the cups, so that way it'll be good to go. But it's these are the tones that I wanted to go. This I'm liking it. So I got a haircut today. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't, please subscribe, turn the notification bell on so you don't miss the rest of this project. And other than that, if you want to support the channel, check the affiliates in the description. And that's it for this one. And I'll see you on the trails. Let's ride.